Hello viewers, we'll be discussing about the addition of fractions. We have here 5 different items. Number 1 are similar fractions where we have similar denominator or the same denominator. So when adding similar fractions, we will only be adding 5 plus 2, the numerators, that's equal to 7. All over, just copy the denominator, which is 8. So your answer for number 1 is 7 over 8. Now for number 2, we have here 1 plus 1/2, a whole number plus a fraction. So we will just combine the two of them, so that's 1 and 1/2. So this is for number 2. We have here 5 plus 1 and 2/3, so this is a whole number plus a mixed number. We will add the whole numbers first. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2/3. So we have 6 and 2/3. This is our answer for number 3. Now for number 4, we have here mixed numbers. 1 and 2 over 7 plus 2 and 3 over 7. First is we will be adding the whole numbers. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Then add the numerators of the fractions. 2 plus 3 is 5 over 7. So your answer is 3 and 5 over 7. The last item we have here is 1/3 plus 2 over 5. These are dissimilar fractions where the denominators, 3 and 5, are not similar. So we'll be using the butterfly method to solve this problem. So first, we will be multiplying 1 and 5. So you multiply them. Okay, so 1 times 5 is 5. Plus the product of 3 and 2. Again, you will multiply. So 3 times 2 is 6. All over 3 times 5. Okay, you multiply the denominators. This is equal to 15. So now we have 5 plus 6 is 11. All over 15. So the answer is 11 over 15. I added more examples here for the addition of fractions. We have here 1 over 6 plus 5 over 6. Since these are similar fractions having the same denominators, we will be just adding 1 plus 5, the numerators. So 1 plus 5 will give us 6 all over. Just copy the 6. So 6 over 6 or just 1. Because 6 over 6 is just equal to 1. Next, we have 1/3 plus 1/4. So these are two fractions having different denominators. So dissimilar fractions. So we're going to make use of the butterfly method. So 1 times 4, we will multiply this. This is 4 plus multiply 3 and 1. So 3 times 1, this is 3. All over 3 times 4, multiply that. So 3 times 4 is 12. So now this will give us 4 plus 3 is 7 all over 12. So your answer here is 7 over 12. We have 1 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/2. These are mixed numbers having different denominators. It's a bit complicated to solve. So the first thing that we need to do is to convert these numbers, these mixed numbers, into their improper fractions. Let's start with this one. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4 over 3. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So 1 and 1/3 is equal to 4 over 3, while 2 and 1/2 is equal to 5 over 2. Now these are already improper fractions. We can now make use of the butterfly method. So multiplying 4 and 2, 4 times 2 is 8, plus multiply 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15. All over 3 times 2. So we will multiply the products. 3 times 2 is 6. So adding 8 and 15, this would give us 23. Divided by, or all over rather, 6. Okay. So we have 23 over 6, which is an improper fraction. So we can convert this to a mixed number if you like to by dividing 23 by 6. So if we're going to divide 23 by 6, so 23 divided by 6, that will give us 3. So that 3 times 6 is 18. 23 minus 18, this is just 5. So our answer is 23 over 6, or 3. We will start with the quotient 3, then the remainder 5 over denominator 6. So 23 over 6 is just equal to 3 and 5 over 6.